Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a heart shape using the sparkles in magnetic gel. Magnetic nails have become a classic design, but there are actually a lot of ways to create patterns beyond just adding sparkle to the entire nail. Among these, I'll show you how to create a heart shape right at the center of your nail. By attaching it to a magnet using things you have at home, you can make different shapes, so be sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. I'll be applying it to nail tips this time, but if you're applying it directly to your natural nails, start with your basic nail care routine. Lightly file the surface, remove any oil with ethanol, and apply a base coat before curing it with a light. Then, we can go ahead and apply a base color. When creating this design, it's a good idea to use a darker color as the base. By doing that, when you create a heart shape, it creates a contrast between the sparkle of the magnet and the rich color of the base, making the heart shape stand out more. Using bold colors like red, deep pink, and blue, or opting for darker shades such as black or navy can really make the design stand out, especially when you want to emphasize the contrast. This time, I'm applying this purple color. We'll start by applying the base color to the entire nail. Once you've finished applying it all over, cure it. Now, let's go ahead and make the tool to create a heart shape. We'll be using this clip. This is a 23mm clip from a 100-yen shop. Even if it's not the same item, you can substitute it with things like the wire found in the nose section of masks. I recommend you use something that is a similar thickness, preferably made of steel. First, straighten the clip. Once it's reasonably straight, fold it in half. Then, fold the midpoint, bending it at a 90-degree angle. And twist the two wires on the left and right together into one bundle. If it's too stiff and not working well, use pliers. Once wound, spread the tip into a V shape. This V shape is the part that becomes the heart shape, so ensure it's symmetrically balanced. Now, attach the finished wire to the tip of the magnet. For this, it's best to use a cylindrical magnet with a strong magnetic force. If the magnet isn't strong enough, it might not work properly, and a heart pattern could end up looking blurry. So, use a powerful magnet or try stacking multiple magnets to test it out. Now that the magnet is ready, let's move on to creating the heart shape. Apply the magnetic gel to the entire nail. I recommend you apply a bit more than usual for a more sparkling effect. After spreading it evenly across the entire nail, start by placing the magnet on the side of the nail to activate the magnetic particles. When the sparkle is mostly even, get the magnet you made earlier ready. When applying the magnet, make sure to have the folded part facing towards the nail at a 90-degree angle and position the V-shaped tip diagonally against the nail. And just like that, the heart shape is completed in no time at all. Once the shape is formed, quickly remove the magnet. Depending on the angle, it might also look like a heart-shaped beam. If the heart shape isn't standing out clearly, there will be an issue with the magnetic force being either too strong or too weak. In this case, try slightly shifting the position of the folded part when attaching it to the magnet. Adjust the magnetic force by bringing it closer to the bent 90-degree part or towards the tip. This way, you can make it weaker or stronger. Once the heart shape is formed, cure it quickly under the light before it blurs. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat for the finishing touch. And that completes the process. Shaping the clip into a V has allowed you to create a heart shape with the sparkling effect of the magnetic gel. How did you find the process of making a heart shape with magnetic gel? You can make not only heart shapes but also other designs by changing the clip into your preferred shape, so I hope everyone to give it a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.